Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to Learn Quran with Inam, and this is your teacher Muhammad Inam. Today we are going to learn four rules of Noon, Sakin and Tanween in lesson number 12. And in this lesson we will learn first two rules, Izhar and Ikhfa, and after that we will have to learn lesson number 13, and then we will be able to learn second two rules of Noon, Sakin and Tanween in lesson 14. So let's start this lesson, and first of all, inshallah, I will teach you rules of this lesson. Then inshallah we will start lesson number 12, and we will read lesson 12 with spelling and without spelling by applying the rules. So question 1, what's name of lesson number 12? Lesson 12 name is Noon, Sakin and Tanween. So what's mean of Noon, Sakin? When Noon will have jazm on it, then Noon will be called Sakin. And what is Tanween? Tanween mean double zabar, double z, double pesh. Okay. So question will be made, how many rules of Noon, Sakin and Tanween? So there are four rules of Noon, Sakin and Tanween. So what's their name? First rule name is Izhar, second rule name is Ikhfa, third rule name is Idgham, and last one is Iqlab. Izhar, Ikhfa, Idgham, Iqlab. These are four rules of Noon, Sakin and Tanween. So let's learn definition of first rule, Izhar, like when Izhar will be done. If any halki letter, halki mean few letters are pronounced from your throat, so that's why these letters are called halkiya. Okay, so if any halki letter comes after Noon, Sakin or Tanween, then Izhar will be done without nasalization, like without gunna. Gunna mean, nasalization mean, if you take your sound into your nose for 1 second, and this thing is called gunna. Okay, I will tell you practically how to make gunna and how many types of gunna. Okay, so listen again, if any halki letter comes after Noon, Sakin or Tanween, then Izhar will be done without gunna. And how many halkiya letters? So halkiya letters are 6: Hamza, Ha, Ain, Ha, Ghain, Kha. Okay, anyone can become after Noon, Sakin or Tanween. If you see any letter of halkiya after Noon, Sakin or Tanween, that's mean you should understand there is Izhar. Okay, Izhar has been applied there, and you have to read without gunna. So next question, what's definition of Ikhfa? So if any Ikhfa letter comes after Noon, Sakin or Tanween, then Ikhfa will be done with gunna. Okay, then you will have to take sound into your nose for 1 second. So how many Ikhfa letters? Ikhfa letters are 15. Ta, Tha, Jim. You will have to learn these letters by heart. Okay, if you don't learn these letters by heart, so you will not be able to recognize which rule is there. I can give you one example, like there is Hamza, and Hamza has come after Noon, Sakin. If I don't remember Hamza is halki letter or Ikhfa letter, then how will I be able to apply the rule there? Tell me. So that's why if you want to apply the rule properly, if you want to read without mistake, then you will have to learn halki letters and Ikhfa letters by heart. Okay, so when halki letter or Ikhfa letter will come after Noon, Sakin or Tanween, then you will be able to recognize easily that is halki letter or Ikhfa letter, or then you will be able to understand easily you have to do gunna or you have to read without gunna. Okay, you can read Ikhfa letters this way. I can tell you, Ta, Sa, Jim, three letters, Ta, Sa, Jim, then three letters again, Dal, Dal, Za. Okay, then two letters, Sin, Shin, then two letters again, Sod, Dod, then two letters again, To, Za, Fa, single one, Fa, then Qaf and Kaf. This way you can learn these letters by heart. First three letters, then three letters, then two letters, then two, then single letter, then two letters. Okay, if you revise 10-15 times, then I think you can learn easily by heart Ikhfa letters. So let's start the lesson number 12, and first of all we will apply the rules, and after that we will read the word inshallah. So Hamza is halkia letter and Hamza has come after Noon Sakin, so that's why there is Izhar and we have to read without Gunna. Okay, so let's read it with spelling. Revise after me. Mim, Noon, Zer, Min, Hamza, Zabar A, Min A, Jim, Zabar Ja, Min Aja, Lab, to Zer, Lin, Min Ajalin. Then there is izhar and we will read without spell this word because halki letter ha is halki letter, you can see there ha. Okay, ha is halki letter and ha has come after noon sakin, that's why we have to read without gunna. Min hadin. Next word with spelling. There is ain. Ain is halki letter and ain has come after noon sakin, that's why there is izhar and without gunna. Let's read with spelling. Mim, noon, there, min, عين زبر ع من ع لام زبر لا من على قاف تو زير قن من علق. Next word, this is hard because halki letter has come after noon sakin, that's why we have to read without gunna. And there is ya madda because there is there before this ya sakina and we have to stretch equal to 1 alif, min equal to 1 second. Min hakimin. And next word with spelling. There is ghain. Ghain is halki letter, that's why there is izhar. Voice madda, we have to stretch equal to 1 alif. Mim, noon, there, min, ghain, zabar gha, min gha, fa, vaw, pesh fu, min ghafu, ra, to zerrin, min ghafurin. Next word, min khawfin. Now we are going to read next word and we have to recognize which rule will be used for this noon sakina. Okay, so I will have to look at the next letter like this letter ta, because ta has come after noon sakin, that's why. So ta is ikhfa letter, you can see there. Okay, ta is ikhfa letter and ta has come after noon sakin, that's why there is ikhfa and it will be read with gunna. You will have to take sound into your nose, you will have to hold your sound equal to 1 second into your nose. Okay, let's read it with spelling. Fa zabar fa, mim noon zabar man, faman, ta zabar ta, ba zir bi, tabi, ain zabar a, tabi'a. Now I have to read this word combinedly with ikhfa. Faman tabi'a. Like this sound is called ikhfa, gunna. Fa mar mar. I'm not reading man. There is mar. Okay. Don't touch your tongue with upper side and make sound. You will have to take your sound into your nose. Then you can make this sound. Fa mar tabi'a. Okay, next word, there is ikhfa letter and it has come after noon sakin, that's why there is ikhfa and with gunna. We have to read this word without spell. Mir thamaratin. Next letter is jim and there is ikhfa letter. Dal is also ikhfa, dal is ikhfa, za is ikhfa, dod, sod, sheen, seen, ta, wa, this fa, qaf, kaf. All red letters are ikhfa letters, but you should learn these letters by heart. You shouldn't look at the colors. Let's read this word with spelling. Mim, noon, there, min, jim, wow, pesh, ju, Miarju. Ain to zerain. Miarju'in. So there is rule of ikhfa, that's why with gunna, and there is vaw madda, and we have to stretch equal to one alif. Okay. Miadunikum. Next word with spelling, and dal is ikhfa letter, and we have to read with gunna. And dal has come after nun sakin, that's why there is ikhfa. Mim noon there min. Dal zabarda. Mirda. Ha zabarha. Mirdaha. Ba to zerbin. Mirdahabin. Next word, without spelling, but with ikfa, because za is ikfa letter and za has come after noon sakin. That's why we have to read with gunna. So let's read it without spell. Fa zalaltum. Next word with spelling. Mim noon zabarman. Sin zabarsa. Marsa. Fa zerfi. Marsafi. Ha zabarha. Marsafiha. There is sheen. Sheen is ikfa letter, and sheen has come after noon sakin. That's why there is ikfa, and we have to read with thicker voice. So without spell, we have to read with gunna, not with thicker voice. Sorry, I wanted to say with gunna. Mar shakara. Next word with spelling. Sod is safiria as well as mustalia as well as ikhfa letter. We have to, and sod has come after noon sakin. That's why there is ikhfa. We have to read sod with whistle sound and with thicker voice. Read it. Mim noon zermin. Sod lam zabassol. Mir sol. Sod alif zabar so. Mir sol so. Lam to zedlin. Mir sol solin. So next word is there's ikfa in this word, because dod is ikfa letter and dod has come after noon sakin. That's why we have to read with gunna. In dalaltu. Next word with spelling. Mim noon zermin. To ya zirti. Miati. Noon to zernin. Miatinin. Next word, there is law. Law is mustalia as well as ikhfa, and we have to read law letter has come after noon sakin. That's why we have to read this word with gunna. Mar zalama. Next word with spelling. First of all, rules. Fa is ikfa letter and it has come after noon sakin. That's why there is gunna. And there is vaw madda, there is pesh before this vaw sakina, and we have to stretch equal to one alif. Let's read it with spelling. Mim noon there min. Fa pesh fu. Mir fu. Ra vaw pesh ru. Mir furu. Jim to zer jin. Mir furu jin. Next word, there is qaf. Qaf is musta'ali letter and ikhfa letter. So it has come after noon sakin. That's why we have to read this word with ikhfa with gunna. So ba is kalkala letter. That's why we will have to make echo sound on ba. min qablu. Next word, mim noon zer min, kaf zer ki, mir ki, ta khada zabar ta, mir kita, ba tu zer bin, mir kitabin. There is noon sakin and after that there is hamza, and hamza is halkia letter. That's why we have to read without gunna because there is izhar. Let's read it with spelling. Ya noon zabar yan, hamza waw zabar aw, yan aw, noon zabar na, yan aw na. Next word, there is ha because ha is halki letter and ha has come after noon sakin. That's why we have to read without gunna. Mim noon zer min, ha mim pesh hum, min hum. Next, there is ain halki letter and it has come after noon sakin. That's why there is izhar and without gunna. An'amta, and we have read first part of lesson number 12. Tomorrow inshallah we will read second part of lesson number 12. And if you want to ask any question, if you couldn't understand anything, you can send a message to me. You please send me, if you want to ask any question, then send me voice message, don't call me please. Inshallah I will try my best to give you answer of your question. And if you like this video, then share with your family, friends and relatives, as well as subscribe this channel. We will come again in tomorrow class. Remember me in your prayers. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.